So here is my filtration from the nighttime. As you can see, there's a lot of mucus strands, which is pretty cool. So that's a good sign. That's from basically just eating all raw for around a week and a half. Except for a little bit of peanut butter at the beginning, but none lately, and a little bit of dark chocolate, a little bit, but not yesterday. It's also from going to bed on a very empty stomach, and from practicing not firing out my sexual energy and saving my life force energy that way, which helps filtration enormously in my experience so far, for sure. So yeah, it's important to filter, and I encourage you all to do things like fast, juice feasting, juicing. Some people love the master fast system, intermittent fasting, intermittent dry fasting, water fasting. Nothing too much of the dry too much too soon or anything, but just even a little bit, like an hour after waking or whatever else. Even an hour or two or three sometimes, depending on the person. Yeah, my friends. Ginger tea is very good for filtration, I find also. And stuff like nettle leaf tea or dandelion leaf tea. Okay, have a beautiful day, my friends. Lots of love to you. Be blessed. Keep being the soul and the beautiful spirit that you are in the physical body. Because that's what's most important. The physical stuff is all just helping to live by our spirit. And have a gorgeous day.